The patient timeline gives care coordinators the ability to connect to their patients in a whole new way, with a snapshot of a patient's healthcare events and activities in chronological order. As a Health Cloud admin, you can add healthcare events to the timeline and tailor it to show the events most important to your care coordinators. You can use any custom object that's related to a patient's account record, so there's a wealth of great information you can make available. We've got a great start with patient information here, but we need to add an event that shows medical conditions and when the conditions were diagnosed. First, let's make sure that we're in the Health Cloud Admin app. From the app picker, we're going to select Health Cloud Admin. Our first task is to upload the icon that we've created ahead of time to represent conditions on the timeline. Icons must be 1 megabyte or less in size and should be square in shape. Salesforce scales the image to roughly 48 by 48 pixels, so smaller, square images provide the best results. Here's the image that we've saved to the desktop. On the Documents tab, under Document Folders, we're going to select Health Cloud Assets. We're going to click New Document and fill in the fields that describe the image. We need to make sure to select Externally Available Image so that it's visible on the timeline. And finally, we need to save our image. Now we're ready to add medical conditions to the Timeline View Configurations tab. You can see the other events that already appear on the timeline. We're going to click New, and we'll enter a name for the event. This informational text only appears on these setup pages and not in the timeline. Next, we're going to type the name of the category that we want this event to belong to. The object category is a parent category in the timeline's Select All Events menu. Since we're adding a medical condition, we'll place it under the Medical Data group, along with encounters and prescriptions. The friendly name appears on both the timeline and the Select All Events menu. We'll use conditions for the friendly name. We've done our homework and know that information about patient medical conditions is stored in the EHR condition _C object. So we enter the object name, remembering to include the package namespace with the object name. Next, we enter the fields that show the name of the condition and the date of diagnosis. Looks like code _label and date asserted hold the information we need. And this is what the two fields will look like on the timeline when we're done editing them. Perfect. In the detail field, we'll type the name of the field that holds the different conditions. Don't forget the namespace prefix. Position holds the date and time field that determines where the events are placed on the timeline. So a condition that was diagnosed on April 4th appears here. Since we've already uploaded our icon file to the Documents tab, we just need to type in the name of the file. You don't need to add the file type extension or the namespace prefix. Finally, we'll define the order in which conditions appear in the timeline when there's more than one type of event on a given date. We want conditions to be at the top of the list, so we'll make it number 1. Make sure to adjust the sort order for existing events so you don't assign 2 events to the same spot. Okay, let's save our work and see what it looks like. There's the new condition event with our icon and all of the information we're looking for. Awesome. And that's how easy it is to give your care coordinators just what they need to view, manage, and create a customized one-to-one journey for every single patient's health history. For more information, see Configure the Timeline view in the Health Cloud Implementation Guide, or visit the Salesforce Success community at success.salesforce.com. Salesforce. Connect to your customers in a whole new way.